Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. Been pretty busy. But on the bench, we have a Savage 110 chambered in 308. Pick this rifle up for the hog hunt. I'm going to put this in my son-in-law's hands, and we're going to see if we can get him a hog with it. I went ahead and I put a Vortex Crossfire 1-4x24 optic on it, and I went and I tried to zero it, and that's what this video is going to be about. You guys hang on, I'll be right back. So I went and I bought 5 different kinds of ammo for this gun. Find the ammo that it likes. And I started out with Hornady American Whitetail 308, 150 grain. And this is what I use to zero it. This is that target. And I started down here and I worked my way up till I got to there. And I didn't think that those groups were too bad. So I switched ammo. And I went to Aguila. This stuff is 308 Full Metal Jacket, 150 grain, boat-tailed ammo. Now the American Whitetail is that's ball ammo. That's Full Metal Jacket. And I didn't change the scope at all. The only thing that I changed, I didn't change my hold. I didn't do anything. The only thing I changed is ammo. And it went wild. Now, I shoot Aguila 22 in my old Mossbergs, and it loves them. But this little Savage with 150 grain 308 at 100 yards, this is all at 100 yards, not so much. So I switched ammo again. And I went to Federal 155 grain AMAX ammo. Ooh, rainbows. Now this stuff has got that Hornady plastic tip. Now I know they've got a name for that, but off the top of my head, I don't know what it is. 155 grain. And that little rifle likes it. It likes it a lot. Now I will re-zero this to get this moved up here a little bit, but those all touch. Well, 3 out of the 5 touch. It's not MOA, and for the life of me, I don't have anything to measure that with. Now there's irony, a carpenter without a measuring tape. But next to my finger, you know, here. That's a Zippo. You guys make... Anyway. So after the Hornady Black, 150 grain, 155 grain, I went to my old standby, Federal ammo. 308, 150 grain, jacketed soft point ammo. That's 2 rounds through the same hole. Now, I'm holding dead center with this ammo. I got a flyer. That's going to be 2 inches. That's going to be 3/4 to 7/8. That's going to be 1 1/4 inches. That's going to be about 1 1/4 inches. I generally like Federal ammo. My every 30-06 I own, I shoot exclusively 308 150 grain rounds. Or I'm sorry, 150 grain bullets, either jacketed soft points or ball ammo, Full Metal Jacket, and they love it. But this 308, not so much. I don't know, maybe I could tighten those groups up, but I don't know. And last, which was a complete surprise, is Norma. Now this is 150 grain full metal jacket ball ammo, and I honestly thought Norma ammo was pretty good, but again, holding dead center, this up here, I'm going to put that at 2 inches, and they just stacked right up like that. This is 100 yards, same hold. And to be honest with you, I got quite an education. I really didn't think factory ammo would vary as much as it does. I really didn't. Is that going to be... Oh, look at that. That all fits in frame. How nice. That's... No, I can't get that one. There we go. I don't know. You guys make what you want. Couple of things on this. Couple of thoughts. 4 out of the 5 is 150 grain ammo. This is 155, and I got the best groups with 155. That's a 20-inch barrel on that rifle. So I'm thinking that I'm going to shelf all this 150 grain, these 150 grain bullets. And I'm going to get some more 155, some 160. I believe you can get 170 or 175, and I know you can get 180 grain. And I'm going to do this test again, and I'm going to see what happens. I'm going to find a bullet that this little gun likes. I've got time. The hunt isn't until July. And hopefully I can make this gun live up to its potential. I believe it has potential. One other thing I should note is the muzzle velocities on these different types of ammo. The Hornady American Whitetail has a muzzle velocity of 2,820 feet per second. The Federal has a muzzle velocity of 2,820. The Norma, 2,625. The Aguila, it doesn't even list it on there. But the Hornady Black, the AMAX, the 155 grain, it's the fastest of the bunch at 2,850. So every indication I have is that rifle likes a little bit heavier and a little bit faster ammo. So again, when I do this test again, it'll be with heavier and faster stuff. Figured I'd throw that in here at the end. You guys take care. I'll see ya.